Assalamu alaikum students. Today I have a story for you. Do you like stories? Of course, we all do. The story is about an elephant. Have you ever seen an elephant? Do you know what color and size he has? Yes, exactly. We have seen an elephant in the zoo and we know he has grey color. So let's begin. One day, an elephant wandered into a forest in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Will you be my friend? Asked the elephant. The monkey replied, You are too big. You cannot swing from trees like me. Next, the elephant met a rabbit. He asked him to be his friend, but the rabbit said, You are too big to play in my burrow. Wait a minute. Do you know the meaning of burrow? Burrow is a hole or tunnel dug by a small animal like rabbit. Then the elephant met a frog. Will you be my friend? He asked. How can I? Asked the frog. You are too big to leap about like me. Leap is to make a large jump. The elephant was upset. He met a fox next. Will you be my friend? He asked the fox. The fox said, Sorry, sir, you are too big. Next day, the elephant saw all the animals in the forest running for their lives. The elephant asked them what the matter was. The bear replied, There is a tiger in the forest. He is trying to gobble us all up. The animals all ran away to hide. The elephant wondered what he could do to solve everyone in the forest. Meanwhile, the tiger kept eating up whoever he could find. The elephant walked up to the tiger and said, Please, Mr. Tiger, do not eat up these poor animals. Mind your own business, growled the tiger. The elephant has no choice but to give the tiger a hefty kick. The frightened tiger ran for his life. The elephant ambled back into the forest to announce the good news to everyone. The animals thanked him. They said, You are just the right animal to be our friend. What did we learn from this story? The lesson is that a true friend is someone who helps and supports you when you need it at the most. What are the new vocabulary words that you have learned today? Wandered, forest, burrow, leap, gobble, growled, hefty, frightened, ambled. Did you enjoy the story? Yes, we did. Great. Thank you for listening so well. Give yourself a big clap.